We traveled to Case
in Bradford, Pennsylvania,
to see what's so cool about manufacturing.
What's so cool about manufacturing is watching raw materials come into our factory and leave as a beautiful piece. We call it a piece of art that people can put into their pocket. And there's many different phases, there's many different steps that go into making a knife, and it is really rewarding to see the success of every single person, every single touch point to get that knife into the consumer's hand. And then taking it one step further, it's so rewarding to know that that knife was made right here in the United States, and even better, right here in Bradford, Pennsylvania, in our hometown.
As the healthcare administrator here at W.R. Case & Sons Cutlery Company, what's so cool about manufacturing is that there are so many various career opportunities. In addition to all the skilled laborers and specialties out on the manufacturing floor, our team is also comprised of various other fields. Some of those include engineering, marketing, management, human resources, IT, accounting, even nursing. That's what's so cool about a career in manufacturing.
Manufacturing is cool because manufacturing jobs are in high demand, offer good pay and benefits, job security, the opportunity to use cutting-edge technology, and the potential to advance within the company.
That's what's so cool about manufacturing.